what are we up to today?
Today we are going to Vrindavan.
What significance Vrindavan has?
Today we are going to see the pastimes of Krishna.
Lots.
The hotel now. And now we are going to take the e-rickshaw to see wherever we can.
Okay, let's go.
See the view.
From our hotel, which is in little outsides of Vrindavan near Prem Mandir.
So, Vanya, we have taken our e-rickshaw now. Which is the first place where we are going? Yeah, it's called as Kalia Ghat. Where Lord Krishna had actually danced on the Kalia Ghat, on the bank of the Yamuna river. So, Kalia Ghat is lake. So, yeah, let's head towards that.
Now we're at the exact place where Krishna danced over Sheshnag. So, where is the Sheshnag? Lord Krishna was dancing over there.
So this is the depiction of Lord Krishna with a smile dancing over the king of the snakes, that is Sheshnag. And it is said that here used to be Yamuna river, but now there is no river here, but this place is sacred. Now what is there behind you?
Tree of Ghada.
Okay.
And there Krishna used to throw a ball.
Seems like there are the imprints of Lord Krishna's feet also there. We will show that in the pictures. The prints of Lord Krishna's feet, that's what they say. And they say that whenever he wanted to hide, he used to go into this hole. This is a hollow tree actually. See. And on top of it, there is a matki of Amrit. That also I'll show you. That one is the matki of Amrit. It belonged to Lord Garuda, and that is the reason this tree is Ajar and Amar. ये ट्री अंदर से खोखला है लेकिन बिल्कुल हरा भरा है, ये देखिए, और कुछ नहीं हुआ है. यहाँ पे लोग अपनी मन्नत का धागा मानने आते हैं. हाँ मान्या, are we done?
Yes.
ओके. तो यहाँ है हम यमुना घाट पे, चीर घाट के जस्ट सामने. तो मानो चीर घाट पे कृष्ण जी ने क्या किया था?
गोपियों के
वस्त्र चुराए थे. कदम के पेड़ पे चढ़ के उन्होंने चुराए थे गोपियों के वस्त्र. और यहाँ हम कर रहे हैं मजे. वाओ, ये पूरे घाट के वो है दर्शन. और एक माई ने मुझे लगा दिया है माथे पे राधे राधे का निशान, और हम हैं हरे कृष्णा. चलो. हाँ.
So, the uncle of Krishna named Kans had sent a demon named Keshi in Vrindavan to kill Krishna. Krishna instead killed the demon and gave him moksha.
So Vanya, what is moksha?
Moksha means the person will go to Krishna's home forever and will never come back to this planet Earth.
Okay.
So, this ghat is named after that demon as Keshi Ghat.
ये केसी घाट पे ऊपर कमरे बने हुए क्या है? घाट पे ऊपर कमरे बने हुए वहाँ पे
पंजाब का केपिंग मिलता है डीसीपी का जो,
हाँ
उसी का है वो सारा. और जो बंद है खत्म हो गया है ना वो, अब तो बंद है. पूरी रहता था उसमें.
पूरे में सब नहीं है.
अब चीर घाट के बाद हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? निधिवन. हाँ. और इस डांस को क्या बोलते हैं? रास लीला. वेरी गुड, लेट्स गो.
So, Nidhivan means forest of Tulsi. There are a number of Tulsi plants here. It is believed that Krishna with Radharani and the gopis appeared here every night to do Raslila.
What is Ras Leela, by the way?
Krishna dances with gopis. That is called as Raslila.
Oh, does that mean we can see Krishna on planet?
You cannot see Krishna while you are in human body. It is said that any person who tries to see him dies immediately. So Nidhivan is closed during night and no one is allowed.
Okay.
As you can see, there are lots of kadam trees around.
1 minute. Why are we walking inside this cage kind of a structure?
Only to get protection from monkeys. Here are many monkeys here.
Okay.
So I was telling that there are many kadam trees here, and it is believed that these trees only turn into gopis in the night.
Really?
Yes, I am surprised too.
I have to see them transforming.
Then you will have to die. Okay, one more thing.
What now?
These trees, as we saw in Kalia Ghat, are hollow from the inside and still are blossoming.
Oh, that's great. Okay, वान्या, तो अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
After going to Nidhivan, we went to two other temples, which one of them was the home of Krishna. Now we are going back to the hotel because we are tired.
Okay.
Okay, so we have taken rest now, and now we're going to see Prem Mandir. Prem Mandir has no historic significance. This was built a few years back to show the pastimes of Krishna in the form of jhakis. So, this is the same depiction as we saw in Kalia Ghat. Little Krishna dancing on the head of Kalya Nag after winning a battle with him to save the villagers from poisonous water of Yamuna. Now, this is Govardhan Parvat. We will visit this in day 2. This is the mountain held by Krishna on his pinky finger to save the villagers from the deadly rain. So we are done with the Prem Mandir darshans. Now we are just sitting outside.
And the weather is nice too.
Look at the lights, look at the lights, look at the lights.
Lights.
It was different color, now it's red. Will it become green next?
Yes, it's very beautiful actually, the whole mandir.
It's orange now. This is the depiction of Raslila. So we already talked about it. Radha Krishna dancing in Nidhivan with gopis. And as you can see, every gopi feels that Krishna is dancing with her. The famous Julian of Radha Krishna, they just love to be on the swim together. So now we are done with Prem Mandir. We are heading to Bakshantari temple.
Okay, let's go.
Very noisy here.
Very noisy here.
So we could not take any photos or videos of Vakya Bihari. Here we are showing latest photos clicked by Atul Krishna. His FB link is in the description box below.
यहाँ शॉप्स ही शॉप्स हैं, बहुत सारे सामान। हरी बोलिए, इस्कॉन टेम्पल है शायद। इस्कॉन है ना? इस्कॉन ही लग रहा है। हरी बोल।
मेरे बांके बिहारी
So, Baki means bent at three places and Bihari means supreme enjoyer. Lord Bakya Bihari is also called as Thakurji. The black idol of Bakya Bihari Ji was bought in this temple from Nidhivan and by Swami Haridas. He did sadhana, because of which Bakya Bihari appeared in the forest.
करियो श्रृंगार नजर लग जाएगी नजर लग जाएगी मेरे बांके बिहारी लाल हाँ तोरी सूरतियाँ पे मन मोरा अटका प्यारा लागे तोरा पीला पटका हाँ तोरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका प्यारा लागे तोरा पीला पटका तोरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका प्यारा लागे तोरा पीला तोरी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चाल तोरी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चाल तुम इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार नजर लग जाएगी नजर लग जाएगी मेरे बांके बिहारी लाल
Now we're back from Bakya Bihari. We couldn't take any pictures there. So we are going to the hotel now.
Yeah, we could not take any pictures there. It was pretty hectic. It's 9:30 p.m. now, and we are on the roads, and my hand is shaking like that. Hi, Vanya.
Hi.
So, what are we doing now?
The next day we're going to
Govardhan Parikrama.
Yes.
ओके तो ये परिक्रमा करने के लिए हम एक रिक्शा है उस पर बैठ गए हैं और अब हमें लगेंगे 2-3 घंटे ये परिक्रमा कंप्लीट करने में। हरे कृष्णा।
This is the Govardhan Parvat, which is also known as Giriraj. We have a map here. So, as you can see, there is a big mountain and a small mountain. The big mountain is of 12 kilometers and the small mountain is of 9 kilometers. The total kilometers of both of these mountains together is 21 kilometers. So this is called as Badi Parikrama and this is called as Choti Parikrama.
Hi, Vanya.
Hi.
So, what are we doing now?
Next day we are going to
Govardhan Parikrama.
Yes.
ओके तो ये परिक्रमा करने के लिए हम एक रिक्शा है उस पर बैठ गए हैं और अब हमें लगेंगे 2-3 घंटे ये परिक्रमा कंप्लीट करने में। हरे कृष्णा।
So, behind this boundary, Govardhan Parvat is there. Seems like this mountain goes inside the earth a bit every day. When Krishna incarnated on this planet, the shadow of this mountain used to reach Barsana. We are doing parikrama by e-rickshaw. Few people walk inside the boundaries too. We did see a few men done the work for their parikrama. Here we are doing parikrama of Radhakot in Choti Parikrama.
Okay, so now we are done with our parikrama and we are going to Vanya will tell. Vanya, where are we going to?
are going to another temple.
which is called as Bhandervan Temple.
Bhandevar temple is not so famous temple. It is said that the Radha and Krishna secretly got married there in childhood. Brahmaji himself conducted their marriage. It is said that at that point of time, 1 lakh of species witnessed the marriage, and in Kali Yuga only, those souls are allowed to visit this temple. So this is a temple, and you can see that Brahmaji is conducting the marriage of Radha and Krishna.
चलो आओ हमें बहुत रात हो गई है.
There is this tree here which looks like it's being divided into two, as a bride and as a groom. And this branch covered with rollies is a depiction of Ghat Bandhan. So this was a 2-day trip to Vrindavan. I suggest you all to visit Vrindavan at least once and have blessings of Krishna.